Kim's day.
Well, on school days, I get up at 7:45. I have breakfast at 8 and I go to school at 8:30. I have lunch in school with my friends. That's at 12:15. It's early in our school. I leave school at 3:30 in the afternoon and I walk home with my friends. I get home at 4:30, have tea and watch television. I go to bed at 11 o'clock on school days, but later at the weekend, of course.
Elliot's day.
He gets up at 6 o'clock and has a shower. He has breakfast at 6:45. He leaves home at 7:15 and he goes to work by taxi. He has lunch, a Coca-Cola and a sandwich, in his office at 1 o'clock. He always works late. He leaves work at 8 o'clock in the evening. He sometimes buys a pizza and eats it at home. He gets home at 9:15. He never goes out in the evening. He works at his computer until 11:30. He always goes to bed at 11:45. He watches television in bed.
Lois's day.
Lois Maddox. The seaside artist fills her day with work, walks, music and friends.
Lois Maddox is 25 and she's an artist. She lives in a small house by the sea in Cape Cod, Massachusetts. She always gets up late at 10 o'clock in the morning. She has a big breakfast, coffee, eggs and toast, and then she goes to the beach with her dog. When she gets home, she works in her studio until 7 o'clock in the evening. She never eats lunch, but she always cooks a big dinner and she often invites friends. After dinner, she usually listens to music or plays the piano. Sometimes she phones her brother, Elliot, in New York. She goes to bed very late, at 1 or 2 o'clock in the morning.